Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Dodge Dart. First, make sure your vehicle is safely in park. Next, grab your mobile phone and navigate to its settings to enable Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is active on your device, turn your attention to the Uconnect touchscreen in your Dart. You'll need to access the main menu to begin the pairing process. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready for hands-free communication and audio streaming. Now that your phone's Bluetooth is on, let's pair it with your Dart. On the Uconnect screen, select the phone icon. You will then see an option to pair device or add device. Choose this to put your Uconnect system into pairing mode. Your Dart system will display a unique PIN, often 4 zeros. Look for Uconnect on your phone's Bluetooth device list, select it, and enter the PIN to confirm the connection. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy the convenience of Bluetooth in your Dodge Dart. You can make and receive hands-free phone calls, keeping your focus on the road. Simply press the phone button on the Uconnect screen or steering wheel to access call functions. You can also stream your favorite music or podcasts directly from your device through the car's speakers. Adjust the audio volume easily using the controls located on your steering wheel. If you encounter any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. First, delete any old or unused devices from your Uconnect system to prevent conflicts. If your Bluetooth connection becomes unstable, a simple restart of both your phone and the Uconnect system can often resolve it. For a Uconnect soft reset, hold down the volume and tuner knobs simultaneously for about 10 to 20 seconds. This can clear minor glitches. And for more great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below. Remember, keeping your system updated and your devices refreshed helps maintain a smooth connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.